In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the best benchtop bandsaws available. If you're looking for a space-saving tool that doesn't compromise on power, this guide will help you find the right fit for your needs. If you're looking for a solid benchtop bandsaw, the WEN 9-inch bandsaw is one to check out. Its model number is BA3959. For a budget-friendly saw, it's surprisingly capable. The 2.8 amp motor pushes the blade at up to 2,500 feet per minute, letting you cut up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide. I ran a few test cuts, and while it's not the most powerful saw out there, it handled softwood and thinner hardwoods pretty well. It comes with a 1/4 inch blade, but you can swap in anything from 1/8 to 3/8 inches for finer work or heavier cuts. The table is a nice size and bevels up to 45 degrees. At around $150, this saw is a solid option for hobbyists and small shop setups. It's not going to replace a high-end model, but for the price, it definitely gets the job done. If you're in the market for a reliable benchtop bandsaw, the SKIL 9-inch bandsaw is a great choice. It's packing a 2.8 amp induction motor, which gives you plenty of power to rip through different wood materials with ease. You're also getting a 2-speed drive system, so you can adjust speeds on the fly without any hassle. Blade tensioning is quick and precise, helping you get clean cuts every time. Plus, the precision ball bearing guides keep the blade tracking smoothly. The rack and pinion table adjustment makes it easy to dial in the perfect cutting angle, and the steel base adds stability while you work. There's also a built-in dust port to help keep things clean, and it even includes a miter gauge for crosscuts. If you need a solid, compact band saw that delivers dependable performance, this one's a great option. Expect to pay around $200 for this model. For those of you looking for a reliable bandsaw without overspending, the Powermatic PWBS 14CS 14-inch woodworking bandsaw is a solid choice. While it's not the latest model, it offers all the essentials you need for smooth, precise cuts. Powered by a 1.5 horsepower motor, this saw can handle most woodworking tasks without struggling. The extra-large cast iron table gives you plenty of workspace, and the chip blower keeps the cut line clear, which is a huge plus when working on detailed cuts. It also comes with micro-adjustable bearing guides for smooth blade movement, reducing friction and improving control. While it's priced at around $11,700, the high-quality construction and user-friendly features make it a worthwhile investment for both hobbyists and professionals alike. If you want a bandsaw that's built to last and gives you excellent performance, this one's a great option. If you're in the market for a reliable bandsaw, the RIKON 10-3061 10-inch Deluxe bandsaw is definitely worth checking out. RIKON is known for making durable, high-quality tools, and this model is no exception. It comes with a 1/2 horsepower motor that offers 2 blade speeds, 1,515 and 3,280 feet per minute, giving you plenty of flexibility for various cuts. One feature that stands out is the large 13 3/4 by 12.5 inch table, which offers ample workspace, and it tilts up to 45 degrees, perfect for angled cuts. The fence is solid and easy to adjust, and the dust port does a great job keeping things clean. While this bandsaw isn't the most powerful on the market, it's ideal for hobbyists and smaller projects. The price point is around $467, which makes it a great value for those looking to upgrade their workshop without breaking the bank. For those looking for a solid, professional-grade bandsaw, I'd recommend the Delta 28 414-inch 1 horsepower steel frame bandsaw. This tool is built to perform, offering the kind of reliability and durability you need in a shop. The 1 horsepower motor provides 2 speeds, 1,620 feet per minute and 3,340 feet per minute, making it versatile enough to handle both wood and non-ferrous metals with ease. What I really like about this model is its heavy-duty steel frame that minimizes flexing and the precision ground cast iron table, which is both oversized and durable. The 9-spoke wheels are rubber-coated for better tracking, and the table tilts from 3 degrees to 45 degrees right for those angled cuts. At about $1,177.70, it's definitely a solid investment, especially for those who need consistent performance for both heavy-duty and detailed cutting tasks. This tool could be a game changer for professionals who demand precision and power.